We're here with Bill Reeves. He's here at Verde Village Phase 2. We did a solar installation for him in 2018. How did our installation go for you with True South Solar here at Verde Village?
Well, the installation went very well. You guys were on time, completed it in a workmanlike manner, and everything was just fine. I'd never really thought about solar before, but I know that the places are designed for solar. They've got the orientation of the roofs for solar, and they pre-wire them for solar. I printed out my last 2 months of electrical usage. You can see that in the period between 3:15 and 4:15, which was still a pretty rainy, cloudy time, that we generated more electricity than we used. So even at that time, we had an electric bill of $12.50, which is just the meter charge. The middle of April to the middle of May, we had again net zero, and we actually generated an additional 400 kilowatt hours of electricity that is in the bank as a credit towards next winter when we won't be generating as much as we are in the summer.